Hot akara is here. Oh. Come and buy hot akara. Oh. Akara with bread. Agege bread. Hey, na for five naira. Oh. Akara dey here. Oh. Make una come buy wetin I dey sell. Hot akara dey here. Oh. Brother come buy. Oh. Sister come buy. Five naira, five naira, hot akara and agege bread for this kind afternoon. Make you come top am up with cold tea. Chai, you go enjoy am. You go enjoy am. Come and buy hot akara. Oh, five naira, five naira. Hot akara, five naira. Akara with agege bread, five naira. Hot akara. What's she reading? She's just too serious. Eh? Instead of her to watch the movie I'm watching with me, she was busy reading her book. Well, let me enjoy my Netflix movie, Joe. I don't have time for reading. Well, when you're done reading, you join me in watching this movie. And she's not even talking to me, I'm talking to her. Can you imagine? Wow. Look at her. She's still reading. Do you want me to? Let me just leave her alone and continue my movie. Alright, bye.